Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of example 4 from NCERT Quadrilaterals chapter class 9. Two parallel lines L and M are intersected by a transversal P. So here L and M are parallel lines and P is the transversal line. Show that the quadrilateral formed by the bisectors of interior angles is a rectangle. So here there are four interior angles. See here this figure. So if you take a bisector here, this angle, for this angle AB is a bisector and here AD is a bisector, and at C, CD is a bisector and CB is another bisector. So if you join all these bisectors, you will get a quadrilateral. So here we have to prove that this quadrilateral is a rectangle. To prove ABCD is a rectangle, first we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. That means AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. And in rectangle, each angle is 90 degrees. So if we prove one angle is 90 degrees, then it is a rectangle. First we have to prove AB is parallel to CD. So if you observe, this is a transversal line for these two lines and these two angles are alternative interior angles. So if you prove angle BAC is equal to angle ACD, then we can say that AB is parallel to CD. So first write L is parallel to M and P is a transversal line. So these two angles are alternative interior angles, angle PAC and angle ACR. So write here, and angle PAC is equal to angle PAB plus angle BAC. So write here, and angle ACR. So this angle is equal to angle ACD plus angle DCR. So write here, then angle PAB is equal to angle BAC because this is a bisector and these two angles are equal. Same like this, here also these two angles are equal. So we can write here angle PAB is equal to angle BAC plus angle BAC is equal to angle ACD plus angle ACD. Then 2 angle BAC is equal to 2 angle ACD. So angle BAC is equal to angle ACD. So we have proved that these two angles are equal and these two are alternative interior angles for these two lines AB and CD. So alternative interior angles are equal means AB is parallel to CD. So AB is parallel to CD. Similarly, we can say that BC is parallel to AD. So AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD means ABCD is a parallelogram. But we have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. So for that we have to prove at least one angle is equal to 90 degrees. So here I have taken angle C is equal to 90 degrees to prove angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So from this quadrilateral ABCD, angle C we can write as angle BCA plus angle ACD. These two angles sum. And if you observe here, there is a linear pair at C. So if you add all these angles, that is equal to 180 degrees. So angle BCQ plus angle BCA plus angle ACD plus angle DCR is equal to 180 degrees. And angle BCQ is equal to angle BCA because this is a bisector. So right here angle BCQ is equal to angle BCA. So angle BCA plus angle BCA plus angle ACD plus angle DCR is equal to angle ACD because this is a bisector. That is equal to 180 degrees. Then 2 into angle BCA plus angle ACD is equal to 180. Then angle BCA plus angle ACD is equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. So angle BCA plus angle ACD is nothing but angle C. Therefore angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So ABCD is a rectangle.